Hello guys, are you searching for the best table saws to power up your woodworking projects? Look no further. Our top-notch selection of table saws is here to make your cutting tasks a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, our range of table saws is designed to meet your needs. From precision cutting to durability and safety features, we've got you covered. Let us help you find the perfect table saw for your workshop today. If you want to know the product price, performance, or detailed use information, all of the links you can find description below. Like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5 position I have, SKIL 15 AMP Table Saw. If you finding affordable table saws for your job site or home woodworking task, the SKIL TS63 Job Site Table Saw has you covered. Benefit from the rack and pinion fence rails, ensuring fast, smooth, and accurate cuts. The integrated folding stand provides portability and convenient storage, making it perfect for on-the-go projects. Enjoy micro-adjustment of the blade with parallel blade alignment, ensuring precise cuts along the rip fence and miter slot. With a 4x4 cutting capacity and 2 to 47-degree bevel capacity, you can tackle a variety of cutting tasks with ease. The 15-amp motor quickly rips through hardwoods, while the dust port elbow keeps your workspace clean by redirecting dust to a container for easy cleanup. The safety anti-restart switch ensures peace of mind in case of power outages. The large coated cast aluminum tabletop provides durability and stability for your projects. What you'll love most is the combination of power, precision, and portability. It's a versatile tool that can handle a variety of cutting tasks with ease. The only downside is the need for an 8-inch dado blade set when using a dado insert, but this is a small inconvenience considering the saw's overall performance and features. The SKIL TS Job Site Table Saw is a reliable and versatile tool that delivers power, precision, and portability for all your cutting needs. Next I have SKILSAW SPT99 Table Saw. If you're serious about your woodworking, the SKILSAW SPT99 Table Saw is a game-changer. Its legendary worm drive gearing delivers impressive torque, allowing for a 3 to 5 by 8-inch depth of cut and a 30 to 1 by 2-inch rip capacity. With this power, you can effortlessly tear through plywood and slice 4x with precision. The precision rack and pinion fence system ensure that your cuts are accurate every time. Adjustments are quick and smooth, making it easy to achieve the perfect cut. The rugged rolling stand with 16-inch wheels and easy-load handles provides unsurpassed mobility. Whether you're navigating stairs or uneven surfaces, this table saw can easily be moved to wherever you need it. One feature you'll appreciate is the dust port elbow, which contains debris in one area for easy cleanup. Outfeed and left support mean you can handle larger cuts by yourself, adding to the saw's versatility. What sets the SKILSAW SPT99 apart is its dual-field motor, which runs cooler, allowing it to work harder and longer than other models. The only downside is that it's a bit heavy, but considering its power and performance, it's a small trade-off. In conclusion, if you're looking for a powerful, precise, and mobile table saw, the SKILSAW SPT99 is the perfect choice. Next up, BOSCH Worksite Table Saw. Looking for a powerful yet portable table saw? The BOSCH Worksite Table Saw has got you covered. With its 15 AMP saw and 4 max HP, it's perfect for both rip cutting and cross-cutting of various materials. The large cast aluminum top provides ample workspace and material support, with a generous 30-inch ripping capacity. Thanks to the soft start circuitry, the motor ramps up smoothly, minimizing the risk of tripping a circuit breaker. Constant response circuitry ensures that the saw maintains speed under load, while restart protection prevents accidental startups. Portability is a breeze with the included GTA47W Gravity Rise wheeled stand, allowing easy setup and takedown with its single-action design. The square lock rip fence is engineered for enhanced clamping and trueness, ensuring precise cuts every time. Additionally, the Smart Guard system provides essential safety features such as a 3-position adjustable riving knife and anti-kickback pawls. Onboard storage keeps all included components accessible, making it convenient to use. In conclusion, the BOSCH Worksite Table Saw offers a perfect balance of power, portability, and safety features, making it an excellent choice for both professional and DIY users. Now, we present to you SAWSTOP Table Saw. Looking for a table saw that puts safety first? Look no further than the SAWSTOP Table Saw. With its patented safety system, this saw stops a spinning blade on contact with skin, minimizing potential injuries. The blade stops in less than 5 milliseconds, offering peace of mind in the workshop or on the job site. It's a powerful table saw with quality. The SAWSTOP contractor saw boasts unmatched quality with precision-built trunnion and arbor, ensuring stability and strength. With poly V-ribbed belts reducing vibration, you'll get a clean cut every time. The table flatness, measured diagonally, ensures maximum accuracy. Reliability is key with the SAWSTOP Table Saw. Its control box constantly checks all systems to keep you safe. Plus, with over 150 unique configurations, this saw is incredibly configurable, allowing you to tailor it to your needs. One standout feature is the 52-inch T-glide fence assembly. Made of heavy-gauge steel, it ensures precise, square cutting for years to come. What you might find less appealing is the additional cost for the cast iron wing assembly, but considering the overall quality and safety features, it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. The SAWSTOP Table Saw offers unparalleled safety, quality, and versatility, making it a top choice for both workshop and job site use. Finally, introducing our best choice, DEWALT Table Saw. The DEWALT DWE7491RS Job Site Table Saw is a powerhouse for the job site and home woodworking tasks. Benefit from the rack and pinion fence system, ensuring fast, smooth, and accurate fence adjustments. The 32 to 1 by 2 inch rip capacity handles larger shelving and trim materials with ease. Its 15-amp motor effortlessly cuts through hardwoods. The telescoping fence rails create a portable package, while the flip-over ripping fence allows for narrow rip cuts. Enjoy a 3 to 1 by 8 inch depth of cut at 90 degrees and 2 to 1 by 4 inch at 45 degrees. Connect the 2-inch dust collection port to a vacuum for efficient dust extraction, keeping cleanup at a minimum. The rolling stand sets up and breaks down easily with excellent stability. The 31 by 23 inch table provides superior material support. Onboard storage ensures easy access to Site Pro Guard components and the push stick. DEWALT RS is perfect for cabinet installers, hardwood floor installers, trim carpenters, deck builders, remodelers, and serious woodworkers. What you'll love most is its power and versatility, handling a variety of materials and cuts effortlessly. The only downside is the weight, but considering its power and features, it's a small trade-off for what you get. In summary, the DEWALT DWE7491RS Job Site Table Saw is a powerhouse tool for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video, and all of the product links you can find in the description below. Hope this information has been helpful to you in finding the perfect product for your needs. Subscribe to our channel and like this video.